Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I have a nice short one for you today. I have this unused space behind the door in our storage area that I just knew could be utilized a little bit better, and I finally came up with a plan on what to do instead of just kind of dumping everything back here like you see in the video. So the very first thing I did was I cleared out everything behind the door and I took some measurements for what I was going to need. I headed off to the hardware store and I picked up a 4x8 sheet of pegboard, and I also grabbed some screws, and then I grabbed little hooks that go into the pegboard as well so that you can hang stuff. My lovely father cut this down for me on the table saw, which was very helpful. You can also cut this with a circular saw. Very, very simple. Then I brought it home and it was time to get it in place. It fit perfectly. The pipe was a little bit in the way, but honestly, it's better than nothing. I am doing nothing fancy with this also. It is very basic DIY. So I just went ahead, made some pilot holes, and then went ahead and used 1.5-inch screws to mount it to the wall. And I did them about every 1.5 feet or so all the way down. And then I did some down the middle and then obviously on each end. And right now it is holding up. It looks great. It's way more organized than it used to be, and I'm just really happy with this super simple project. Depending on lumber prices where you are, for me personally, this cost about $60. Probably in the US it would be cheaper. These little peg hooks were all I needed back here. You can get an assortment of sizes of pegs and different attachments and hooks for whatever your space needs. I just needed these super simple little ones, so they were a 4-pack and I believe they're about $4 or so. So I went ahead and put those on, and the thing that actually took me the most time was trying to arrange all of my husband's Nerf guns and just the random things that I wanted to put back here. So these are no longer taking up space on the storage room floor, and I think I'm gonna get a couple baskets to hang off of the hooks. I think that would be really helpful. So let me know in the comments what else I could hang on here, what else would be useful for storage, and let me know if you would ever do this project in your house.